12 bedtime drinks that help lower creatinine and repair your kidneys. Did you know that over 37 million people in the United States alone suffer from chronic kidney disease, and many of them don't even know it? That's a terrifying fact. The scariest part is that kidney damage often starts silently. You feel fine, you sleep well, you go to work, you eat your meals, but deep inside your body, your kidneys may be screaming for help. By the time symptoms show up, much of the kidney function might already be gone. And when your kidneys fail, your life changes forever. You may need dialysis, you may face kidney transplants, you may live every single day with swelling, fatigue, weak bones, and toxic waste building up in your blood. One of the earliest warning signs your kidneys give you is high creatinine levels. Creatinine is a waste product made by your muscles. Your kidneys normally filter it out. But when kidneys are weak, creatinine starts to rise. Elevated creatinine doesn't just mean a simple problem, it means your filtration system is breaking down. If you ignore high creatinine, you risk your kidneys shutting down completely. But here's the good news. There is a window. If you catch it early, you can act, you can slow it down, you can even reverse some damage. One of the easiest ways to start helping your kidneys is during the night. Why? Because your body heals at night. Your kidneys work hard while you sleep, they filter toxins, they balance your fluids, they repair tissues, and if you give them the right support before bed, you can help them heal. This is not some miracle cure, it's simple science. That's why today I will share 12 powerful bedtime drinks that can lower creatinine, reduce kidney strain, and support healing. You can start tonight. Just simple drinks, no complicated treatments, no harsh medications, just natural support. So let's begin. The first drink is warm lemon water. Most people drink lemon water in the morning, but drinking warm lemon water at night has special benefits for your kidneys. Lemon contains citrate. Citrate binds with calcium in the urine and prevents kidney stones. Stones can damage the delicate tissues inside your kidneys. A study published in the Journal of Urology found that lemon water helps reduce kidney stone formation significantly. Plus, warm lemon water helps alkalize your urine. When your body is too acidic, your kidneys work harder to balance it. Alkalizing helps ease their burden. Just squeeze half a lemon into a cup of warm water. Drink it 30 minutes before bed. This simple habit can protect your kidneys night after night. The second drink is barley water. Barley water is ancient. In Ayurveda and many Asian traditions, barley has been used to support kidneys for centuries. Barley contains beta-glucans. These are natural compounds that reduce inflammation. Studies show that beta-glucans help lower both blood urea nitrogen, BUN, and creatinine levels. Barley water also acts as a gentle diuretic. It helps your body flush out toxins without dehydrating you. Drink 1 cup of unsweetened barley water before bed. It's gentle, it's safe, and it works over time. The third drink is hibiscus tea. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage. Hibiscus tea naturally lowers blood pressure. A clinical trial published in the Journal of Nutrition found that hibiscus tea significantly reduced systolic blood pressure in adults. It's also rich in antioxidants that fight oxidative stress inside your kidneys. But remember, if your blood pressure is already low, don't overdo hibiscus tea. 1 warm cup before bed is enough to support your kidneys. The fourth drink is nettle leaf tea. Nettle is a natural detoxifier. It has been used for kidney support in herbal medicine for generations. Nettle reduces inflammation markers. A study in phytotherapy research confirmed its anti-inflammatory effects. It also acts as a mild diuretic, helping your kidneys flush waste gently. Brew 1 teaspoon of dried nettle leaves in hot water. Strain. Sip slowly before bed. The fifth drink is ginger tea. Ginger does more than soothe your stomach. Gingerol, its active compound, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. A study published in Renal Failure Journal showed that ginger supplementation improved kidney function in diabetic patients. Diabetes is one of the major causes of kidney damage. A warm cup of ginger tea before bed can help reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys over time. The sixth drink is chamomile tea. Chamomile is famous for relaxation, but it also supports kidney function. Chamomile contains flavonoids that reduce oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is one of the hidden causes of kidney tissue damage. Better sleep itself supports kidney repair. 1 cup of chamomile tea before bed helps your mind and kidneys. Relax. The seventh drink is beetroot juice, but in small amounts. Beetroot contains nitrates. Nitrates improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure. A study published in Hypertension showed improved vascular function after beetroot consumption. Better blood flow means less strain on your kidneys. But here's a warning. Beetroot is high in oxalates. Too much can lead to kidney stones. So only drink 2 to 3 ounces of diluted beetroot juice before bed, no more. The eighth drink is golden milk, also known as turmeric milk. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Curcumin, its active ingredient, has shown protective effects against kidney fibrosis. A study published in Kidney International Reports confirmed these benefits. But avoid too much dairy if you have kidney issues. Use plant-based milk like almond milk. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper to improve absorption. Sip warm before bed. The ninth drink is celery juice, diluted. Celery is rich in antioxidants and has natural diuretic properties. It can help your body flush toxins gently, but celery is also high in potassium. If your kidney disease is advanced, too much potassium can be harmful. For early-stage kidney concerns, half a cup of celery juice mixed with water before bed can support natural detoxification. The 10th drink is dandelion root tea. Dandelion has been used in herbal medicine for centuries. It stimulates bile production, supports the liver, and acts as a gentle diuretic. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found dandelion increased urination within hours, helping flush waste products. Brew a cup of dandelion tea before bed to gently assist your kidneys. The 11th drink is cucumber water. Cucumber is 95% water and loaded with antioxidants. It helps hydrate your body while providing mild diuretic effects. Drinking cucumber-infused water before bed supports overnight filtration. Simply add a few slices of cucumber to a glass of warm water and sip slowly. The 12th drink is cranberry tea, unsweetened. Cranberries are known for urinary tract health, but they also protect your kidneys by reducing harmful bacteria and inflammation. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed regular cranberry intake reduced urinary tract infections. UTIs can lead to kidney infections if ignored. Make unsweetened cranberry tea and drink it before bed. Now you may wonder, can something this simple really help? The answer is yes, but only if you're consistent. Your kidneys didn't become damaged overnight. The damage happens slowly, over years of dehydration, poor diet, high salt intake, high blood sugar, and silent inflammation. But healing can also happen slowly but surely if you support your kidneys every day. These drinks don't work like a switch. They work like steady drops of water on a rock. Night after night, they help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, flush out toxins, and ease the burden on your filtration system. Science supports this. A study in the Journal of Renal Nutrition found that patients who incorporated lifestyle changes, including diet and hydration, slowed kidney decline significantly. Many nephrologists now believe that with early intervention, patients can avoid or delay dialysis for years. These bedtime drinks are one piece of that solution. They create a healing window while you sleep. While your body is resting, these natural compounds work quietly inside you. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals. Anti-inflammatory agents reduce swelling in kidney tissues. Diuretics help flush out waste, and your kidneys get the chance to repair tiny damages that happen every day. Every small action matters. You don't need to do all 12 drinks at once. Start with 1 or 2. Build a routine. Stay consistent. The more you support your kidneys, the more they will reward you with better filtration, lower creatinine, and improved overall health. Remember, your kidneys want to heal. They are designed to filter, balance, and restore, but you must give them what they need and remove what harms them. These bedtime drinks are a gentle but powerful step toward protecting your kidneys. Start tonight. Now that you know about these powerful bedtime drinks, let's talk about how you can actually use them every night. Many people make the mistake of trying to do too much too fast. That's not the way to heal your kidneys. Your kidneys are delicate organs. They need gentle, steady support, not sudden overload. So the key is to start simple. Pick 1 or 2 drinks from the list. For example, you can start with warm lemon water and chamomile tea. Lemon water helps flush out toxins, while chamomile helps you relax and sleep better. This simple combination works because while you sleep, your kidneys can work more efficiently. The warm water helps your body absorb nutrients better. The antioxidants from chamomile reduce stress inside your kidneys. After 1 week of this, you can add a new drink. Maybe introduce hibiscus tea on some nights. It lowers your blood pressure, which protects your kidneys from long-term damage. But be careful. If your blood pressure is already low, you may want to drink hibiscus tea only a few times a week. The important thing is to listen to your body. Everyone's kidneys are a little different. After 2 weeks, you can introduce barley water or nettle tea. Barley water helps produce creatinine and blood urea nitrogen. Nettle tea gently detoxifies your body and reduces inflammation. Both are very gentle and safe when used moderately. Always drink these at least 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. That way, you reduce the chance of waking up in the middle of the night needing to urinate. After 3 weeks, your body starts to adjust to this healing routine. Now you can add dandelion root tea or turmeric milk. Dandelion supports your liver and kidneys by flushing out toxins. Turmeric milk reduces inflammation deep inside your kidneys. Remember, use almond milk or oat milk instead of cow's milk to avoid extra phosphorus. Phosphorus can be hard on your kidneys if they're already damaged. Use only half a teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper to improve its absorption. These small amounts amounts are safe and effective. After 1 month, you can rotate drinks. For example, some nights you might drink celery juice or a small amount of diluted beetroot juice. Celery helps gently remove waste. Beetroot improves blood flow, but always be careful with these two. Both are high in potassium or oxalates. If you have advanced kidney disease, too much potassium or oxalate can be harmful. That's why you must start with tiny amounts. A half cup of celery juice mixed with water is enough. 2 to 3 ounces of diluted beetroot juice is plenty. Never overdo these. After 1 month, your kidneys will start showing small signs of improvement. You may notice less swelling, you may feel less fatigued, your blood pressure might become more stable, you might sleep better. These are all signs that your kidneys are slowly responding. But remember, this is a long-term process. Your kidneys didn't get damaged overnight. You cannot expect overnight healing. Think of it like watering a dry plant. A little water every day brings it back to life. But flooding it all at once won't help. The same is true for your kidneys. Gentle, steady care works best. Always avoid adding sugar to these drinks. Sugar is one of the biggest enemies of your kidneys. It raises blood sugar. High blood sugar damages the tiny blood vessels inside your kidneys. That's why diabetics are at such high risk for kidney disease. If you have diabetes, these drinks can still help you, but always choose unsweetened versions. Focus on your whole lifestyle too. Avoid too much salt. High salt raises blood pressure, which strains your kidneys even more. Cut back on processed foods. They contain hidden salt and phosphorus. Eat more fresh vegetables, but be mindful of potassium if your kidney function is very low. Stay hydrated during the day. Dehydration makes your kidneys work harder, but don't overhydrate either. Balance is key. Aim for about 8 glasses of water per day, unless your doctor advises differently. Add light exercise. Walking or gentle stretching improves circulation. Better circulation means better kidney function. Even 20 minutes of walking daily can make a difference. Monitor your blood pressure regularly. Keep your weight in a healthy range. Lose weight if you're overweight. Extra weight increases inflammation and raises your risk of kidney disease. Sleep plays a huge role too. Poor sleep increases stress hormones that can harm your kidneys. These bedtime drinks not only help your kidneys directly, but also help you sleep better. That's a double benefit. Reduce stress in your life. Chronic stress releases cortisol. High cortisol harms your kidneys over time. Practice relaxation techniques, deep breathing, meditation, or even simple gratitude. Journaling before bed can calm your nervous system. When your body is calm, your kidneys work better. Pay attention to your medications. Some painkillers like ibuprofen or naproxen can harm your kidneys if used long term. Always talk to your doctor about safe alternatives. If you smoke, quit. Smoking damages blood vessels, including those inside your kidneys. If you drink alcohol, limit it. Alcohol stresses your liver and kidneys. Remember, everything you put in your body either helps your kidneys or harms them. These bedtime drinks are powerful because they do several things at once. They hydrate you, they relax you, they reduce inflammation, they support gentle detox, they lower your blood pressure, and they give your kidneys a chance to repair while you sleep. 1 small cup every night adds up. Over weeks and months, you're creating a healing environment inside your body. The science supports this. Multiple studies have shown that natural antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and lifestyle changes can slow kidney decline. In some cases, kidney function has even improved enough to avoid or delay dialysis. That is the power of consistent care. You are not helpless against kidney disease. Your body wants to heal. Your kidneys are designed to repair themselves when given the right tools. These bedtime drinks are simple tools you can use starting tonight. No special equipment, no complicated recipes. Just natural healing ingredients from your kitchen. Start small, stay consistent, be patient. Your kidneys will thank you. Let's now pull everything together because this could be one of the most important changes you ever make for your health. Your kidneys are small, but they do an enormous job every single day. They filter your blood, they remove toxins, they balance your fluids, they control your blood pressure, they keep your bones strong, they even help produce red blood cells. But most people don't think about their kidneys until something goes wrong. By then, damage is often severe. High creatinine levels don't happen overnight. They build up slowly, silently, and when they rise, your kidneys are warning you that they're struggling. This is why you cannot wait until symptoms appear. You need to act now while you still have time. The beauty of these 12 bedtime drinks is that they give you a simple, gentle way to help your kidneys heal every single night. They don't require huge effort. You don't need expensive treatments. You don't need fancy supplements. You only need simple, natural ingredients. And more importantly, you need consistency. Consistency is what allows your kidneys to catch up. Night after night, these drinks deliver antioxidants, reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and help flush out waste. Your kidneys work while you sleep. Giving them extra support at night is like adding fuel to their healing engine. The warm lemon water starts your gentle cleansing. The barley water reduces creatinine and supports natural filtration. The hibiscus tea calms your blood pressure. The nettle tea reduces inflammation quietly. The ginger tea protects you from silent oxidative damage. The chamomile tea relaxes your nervous system, lowering cortisol, which helps your kidneys rest too. The tiny dose of beetroot juice improves blood flow without overwhelming your kidneys. The golden turmeric milk fights fibrosis, which can scar your kidneys. The diluted celery juice gently helps flush waste. The dandelion tea gives extra diuretic support. The cucumber water hydrates and supplies helpful antioxidants. And the cranberry tea prevents harmful bacteria that could harm your urinary tract and kidneys. Each drink plays its small role. Together, they form a powerful routine. But again, you must go slow. Start with 1 or 2 drinks. Rotate them, give your body time to adjust. Listen to your body, watch how you feel, check your blood pressure, monitor your lab tests. Over time, you'll see the difference. Less swelling in your legs or feet, less fatigue, better blood pressure control, clearer thinking, more energy, and eventually lower creatinine levels. That's the power of small daily actions. You are not a helpless victim. Kidney damage may be serious, but it's not always hopeless. Science shows that lifestyle changes have a strong effect on kidney health. A study in the Journal of Renal Nutrition showed that patients who followed diet, hydration, exercise, and stress reduction improved their kidney function significantly over months. Some avoided dialysis entirely. Others delayed it for years. Even small improvements in kidney function can give you better quality of life. The earlier you start, the better your chances. But even late-stage patients can benefit from these gentle habits. Your kidneys can repair if you give them a chance. Think about it like patching a leaking roof. If you keep ignoring it, the damage spreads. But if you start sealing the leaks today, you stop more damage, and over time, the roof becomes stronger again. That's what these drinks do for your kidneys. They seal the leaks, reduce the strain, and give your organs time to restore. And don't forget the other lifestyle habits. Eat low-sodium foods, control your blood sugar, avoid processed junk, drink clean water, exercise lightly every day, manage your weight, reduce stress, sleep well, avoid smoking and heavy drinking. Be careful with over-the-counter pain medications. Everything you do matters. Everything you drink matters. These bedtime drinks are simple, but simple things done consistently are often the most powerful. The sooner you start, the more healing you can achieve. Your kidneys work for you every second of your life. Now is your time to give back to them. Start tonight. Make a warm cup of lemon water. Sip it slowly. Take a few deep breaths. Relax your body, then add chamomile tea or nettle tea. Feel your body calm down. Let your kidneys rest. Over the coming weeks, rotate in the other drinks. Build your healing routine. Don't rush. Stay steady. Your kidneys will respond. Healing takes time, but it is possible. Your body is designed to heal when given the right support, and every small sip you take each night becomes part of that healing. Imagine 1 year from now, you've followed your bedtime drink routine, you've made small daily changes, your labs show better creatinine levels, your doctor smiles, your blood pressure is under control, you feel stronger, you sleep better, you have more energy. That future can start tonight, but only if you take action. You have the knowledge now. The choice is yours. Protect your kidneys. Heal your kidneys. 1 cup at a time. Every night, every sip matters.